Hello, my name is Jessica Boyd, and I'll be showing you how lynda.com can help you write an effective resume. For example, say if there's an upcoming internship fair or job fair that's being held at your university and you want to make sure that your resume is up to par or just want to create a new one altogether. The first thing you will have to do is type in the search engine what you're actually needing help with. So resume. They offer some just informational videos, and then there's some actual courses you can take. And by courses, it's also just videos you can watch, but there's many quizzes that's incorporated into them as well to make sure that you're learning what they're speaking to you about. So let's see. Preview.
You know what? Resume writing is hard. For a lot of people, it's really hard. It's uncomfortable. It's an awkward style of writing, and for most of us, it's super confusing. How do you construct something that'll get you noticed for the exact types of jobs that you want the most? How many pages is it supposed to be? Should you include an objective or no objective? Do you need more than one resume? What are you supposed to do if you didn't finish college, or maybe you took a few years off, or you've been working in a completely unrelated field than the one that you want to get into now? How far back do you go? And here's a really common resume question. What actually happens when you hit apply now on an online application?
Okay, so by watching this video, or taking this course, I should say, you will learn everything that she was questioning you about. And over here, you'll see that you can get a preview as well. It'll be talking about the summary section, key skills section, education, and how exactly to format that stuff. And one thing that's important to note is that after you have completed watching the section of the video, it will show a little I, which means that you have completed it. And after completing the whole course, you will earn a certificate that says you completed it. I have an example of what a certificate looks like. So I completed this course about teamwork foundations. So let's press view. And that's what it looks like. I'll also show you what it looks like when you have officially completed one. See, like I said, all of these are the little eyes I was talking about, and it says that I have successfully watched each part of that video. And this is the quiz section I was talking about that says, what did you learn? Okay, so back to resumes. One thing that's great about lynda.com is that if you know that you are specifically looking for resume courses, you can make a playlist. So that way you can just continue watching videos regarding resumes and continue getting help. So press this button on the side, this plus sign, my playlist. It's added. Press this button, my playlist, added, added. And another thing that's important to watch out for is the sections that say like course versus video. Courses is where you can earn a certificate. Videos is where you can just gain additional information, but it's also useful too. So once you've made a playlist, you can go here, watch playlist.
You know what? Resume writing is hard. For a lot of people, it's really hard. It's uncomfortable.
So as you can see, we already saw that part before, but it will continue to go from course to course to course, and you won't have to keep going back.